I don't have any views on legacy, but what I do want to see is that the challenge that the people gave us is fulfilled. Because see, at the end of the day, it is all about people. Have you met anybody who said to you in your own office here, like, the excitement of having a job, of being awarded a job, your value, your worth and everything else? I remember speaking to Father Peter McVerry a number of years ago, and he was dealing with some very, very difficult cases. And he said to me, you know, at the end of the day, for everybody, it is about self-esteem and self-worth. Even if it's only a little piece of paper that says, I completed this task, or I did that. But for me, like, I'm so proud of Ireland, and every time I have the privilege of going abroad, I look at the way people look at us now as an island nation. And for so many years, we went and fought the wars of other countries. We built other countries. We built other economies and cities. And I said, time now to roll up our sleeves and sort out our own country, which I hope we're doing. And that at the end of this government's remit, people will decide if they want to re-elect us. And where I want the country to be in a few years' time is in a position where it will never go back to the kind of bad old days that we had, based on speculation, greed and waste of money and all of that. So you can really set us up as a point where you can demonstrate just what a small country where government and people work together can do. You can't really do it unless you have, you know, economic and political stability, because that brings investment and confidence and therefore jobs.
Okay. Some speculation, well, not speculation, but kind of chatter in political circles about maybe running for president someday. Have you any interest in that?
No.
No?
None.
What will you do when you finish politics?
Well, I've got my wife and 3 children, and we're a very happy family. And obviously, you know, as time moves on, you reflect on these things more and more and how important they are to you. So I'm sure there are lots of things that I'd like to do, and lots of places that I might like to go and see, and maybe, you know, sometimes sit and think about where we've come from.
Okay, all right.